Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance, how to cancel a Delta flight and get a full refund. Canceling a Delta Airlines flight and securing a full refund can be straightforward if you understand the airline's policies and follow the correct steps. 1. Understand Delta's 24-hour risk-free cancellation policy. Delta offers a 24-hour risk-free cancellation window for all tickets, including basic economy, non-refundable, and refundable fares, if booked directly through Delta, delta.com, Fly Delta app, ticket offices, or reservations. You can cancel within 24 hours of purchase for a full refund to your original payment method with no fees. This applies to flights originating in the U.S. and covers cash, credit card, or check purchases. For same-day bookings, you must cancel by midnight of the booking day. 2. Check if your ticket is refundable. Refundable tickets are eligible for a full refund to the original payment method if canceled before departure, with no cancellation fees. To verify, log into My Trips on delta.com or check your booking confirmation. Non-refundable tickets typically result in an e-credit after cancellation, minus fees, unless canceled within the 24-hour window or under specific exceptions. Main cabin and above tickets for travel within the U.S., Canada, Europe, Africa, or the Caribbean often have no cancellation fees, but fare differences may apply. 3. Act quickly for significant schedule changes. If Delta cancels your flight or makes a significant schedule change, e.g., departure, arrival time shifts by 3+ hours for domestic or 6+ hours for international flights, you can cancel and request a full refund, even for non-refundable tickets. For tickets issued before October 28, 2024, with travel on or after that date, a 120-minute delay qualifies. Check your email or My Trips for notifications, and act within 24 hours to avoid automatic rebooking. 4. Log into My Trips. To cancel, visit delta.com and navigate to My Trips. Enter your confirmation number, found in the Your Flight Receipt, email, first name, last name, or ticket number. Select the trip, click Cancel Flight or Need to Cancel, and follow the prompts. Confirm the cancellation details before finalizing. For 24-hour cancellations or refundable tickets, the refund processes automatically to your original payment method. For non-refundable tickets, you may receive an e-credit unless eligible for a refund. 5. Submit a refund request if needed. If your ticket qualifies for a refund, e.g., refundable ticket, 24-hour window, or Delta-initiated disruption, but it's not processed automatically, submit a request via Delta.com's Refund or Reimbursement Request form. Provide your ticket number, full name, and details of the cancellation. For U.S. and Canada residents, use this form for disruptions within Delta's control. For EU departures or other regions, use the Comment and Complaint form. Refunds for credit, debit card purchases take up to 7 business days. Cash, check purchases may take 20 days. 6. Consider special circumstances. Delta allows full refunds for non-refundable tickets in cases like the death of a passenger, immediate family member, or travel companion, provided you submit proof, e.g., death certificate, to the Delta Passenger Refunds Department. Mail unused tickets to Delta Airlines, Inc., Passenger Refunds, P.O. Box 20537, Atlanta, GA 30300 2025 37, U.S. Postal Service, or 700 South Central Avenue, Hapeville, Georgia, 30354, Courier. Contact Delta at 800-221-1212 for guidance. 7. Avoid basic economy pitfalls. Basic economy tickets are restrictive and non-refundable after the 24-hour window, with no changes allowed in most cases. Canceling outside this period results in a partial e-credit after a fee, e.g., $99 $200, depending on the route. For SkyMiles Basic Economy Award tickets, a cancellation fee of 9,900 miles, domestic, or 19,900 miles, international, applies. To maximize refund chances, cancel within 24 hours or check for Delta-initiated disruptions. 8. Check for class action refunds, 2020-2021. If you had a Delta flight canceled between March 1, 2020, and April 30, 2021, and received an e-credit instead of a cash refund, you may be eligible for a full cash refund plus 7% interest under a class action settlement. Submit a claim form with proof of purchase, e.g., receipt, via the settlement website or by mail. This applies to U.S. citizens who requested a refund during that period. 9. Monitor refund status. Track your refund status on Delta.com's Check Refund Status page using your full name, ticket number, and refund request number, emailed after submission. If delays occur, contact Delta's customer service at 800-221-1212 or message them via the Fly Delta app. Be aware that banks or credit card issuers may hold funds temporarily, affecting refund visibility. 10. Contact Delta for complex cases. For tickets booked through third parties, upgraded with miles, or issued by another airline, non-DL flight numbers, cancellations may not be possible online. Call Delta Reservations at 800-221-1212 or visit a Delta ticket office. If purchased via an online travel agency, e.g., Expedia, Orbitz, check if they support Delta's 24-hour cancellation policy. Otherwise, a $50 handling fee may apply. For award tickets, cancellations often require phone assistance. By acting within the 24-hour window, choosing refundable fares, or leveraging Delta's policies for disruptions or special cases, you can cancel your flight and secure a full refund efficiently. Always cancel before departure to preserve ticket value, and keep documentation handy for refund requests. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.